Hello. Welcome to this Canon support tutorial. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to correctly insert and register two of the most common paper size and types into your printer, A4 plain paper and 4x6 photo paper. Open the front cover to access the paper tray. Open the paper support arm. This shows how to prepare and insert A4 paper into the paper tray. Fan the paper. This reduces friction between the sheets so that the printer can feed the paper easier. Slide the paper into the tray until it stops. Adjust the paper guide. Ensure it sits against the paper but still allows movement. Open the paper support extension, then move the output tray into position and pull the extension out. This section shows how to insert 4x6 glossy paper. The instructions on the cover show which way up you should put glossy paper. The printable or glossy side should be face down. Slide into the paper slot in portrait orientation until it stops. Adjust the paper guide. Ensure it sits against the paper but still allows movement. Open the paper support arm and extension and fully open the output tray. Ensure that you select the same paper type and size when printing from your smart device or computer. This concludes the support video on how to correctly prepare and insert paper in your MG3600 series printer.